Hey everyone, so remember how I told that I'll be giving away things to some people on the campus. So what I did was I got out my 10 ultrasonic sensors and gave it away by making random people do stuff on campus. So you'll see how weird things got. I hope you like the video.
For anyone who can do 20 push-ups of squats right now.
20 push-ups? Squats?
20 push-ups of squats and I'll give you my sensor. You know me.
20 push-ups?
Yeah.
20 push-ups or squats?
Right now. Let me put it on record then. Is it okay? Okay, come on. Let's go.
Squats or
Come on.
Yeah?
Here, come on. 20. Let's go.
Gigi. Pull it down, come on. Can you? Gigi, bro. I should have given it to you that day only. Here.
Thank you.
Make some-
Actually, what did you say?
何？お前はもう死んでいる。
Ultrasonic sensor.
Make something and tag me on Instagram.
Okay.
Ah.
Really?
And make everyone of your friends.
Sorry, it is ultra?
Ultrasonic sensor.
Ultrasonic
sensor. Just make something, tag me on Instagram or make a video and call me. You have an idea. Use this ultrasound to measure distance. Correct, right. If you do 20 squats or 20 push-ups, I'll give you one phone. Right now, if you do 20 squats or 20 push-ups, so bro, you can use it for your Arduino projects or anything.
I do 20 squats.
Let's go. Fully. Okay. I'm counting. It's the fifth one. 6, 7.
Hey, you can count it out loud. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Is this some kind of dragging or something? This is not dragging. This is my way of getting paid.
From whom? From the viewers that I'm not getting. I have a channel called Robotherapyy, man. Look it up. I do robotic cleaning. Do you know what an ultrasonic sensor is by any chance? Ultrasonic sensor. No. So I'm planning to give away ultrasonic sensors to people who can do either 20 squats or 20 push-ups right now. If you do 20 squats or 20 push-ups, I'll give you my sensor.
How can I do like 20 push-ups and what?
20 push-ups or 20 squats. Sit-ups. Try it.
Shall I?
Why not?
Okay.
There's no one.
Just sit up, right?
Ah.
20 sit-ups.
Oh, let's go.
Then you gotta do no
You got this. What's your name? Do you know what an ultrasonic sensor is by any chance? No. I'm giving away ultrasonic sensors to anyone who will do 20 push-ups or 20 squats right now. So I can't. You can't do 20 push-ups or 20 squats. GG bro. Anyway, I have a YouTube channel called Robotherapyy. Can you look it up? Oh yeah.
Robotherapy, sir. Big fan. Sir, samosa.
Samosa baar se kyun la rahe ho? Thank you. Nice to meet you. So, do you know what this is? You've been seeing it with me for such a long time.
It's an ultrasonic sensor.
GG, my man. If you can do 20 squats or 20 push-ups, I'll give it to you right now.
20 what? You can't even do 5.
20 squats or 20 push-ups right now, man. Come on.
I will try my best to be on. Hey, hold my samosa.
Come on, Kevin. Let's go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hey, what are you trying to do? That's not a push-up.
I give up. I give up.
What are your names, my man? I know you. What about
I'm
you?
Ram.
Ram.
And I'm
Hitesh.
Priyanshu.
Priyanshu. Nice to meet you. Priyanshu.
Yeah. Priyanshu is correct word. Okay.
Okay. You didn't do it, bro, but
This guy can.
can you?
Yeah, I can.
Then give it a try, man.
But I don't know what that. Do 40 take
Whatever
2.
you are holding.
You'll get to know what it is after you start working with it.
I just do 20. I just do them very quick.
Come on. You have to do it completely then.
Yeah.
If you can do 40, you have to do it properly. Come on, let's go.
No, I'm gonna do 20.
Let's go, let's go.
Yeah, 3, 2, 1. 1,
Fully down. Down, touch your chest.
4, 5,
3, 4.
Oh. 4, 5, 6,
Come on.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yep.
GG, bro. You own this. There you go. I don't know what you do with it, but whatever you do with it,
I don't know. He's gonna help me figure out what to do with this.
help him figure out what you do with it and tag me when you make something.
Yeah, sure.
So, ये ultrasonic sensor है.
Okay.
So, अगर 20 push-ups या 20 squats or 20 push-ups?
20 squats. Squats कैसे करना है?
Sit-ups.
Okay,
Utak
कहाँ
बैठक.
करना है? Try.
इसका काम सिखा दूंगा.
Do it जल्दी कहाँ squats करना है? अक्सर भी करेगी.
चलो, let's go. The one अच्छा ठीक है, चलो उधर.
Okay.
Let's go, let's go.
Nice push-ups, man. Nice work.
It's cut.
Give me कैसे
Let's
squats
go,
करना
let's
है?
go. Just go down and up.
कितने 20?
Yes, let's go. हो जाएगा. हाँ, कर. Come on, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
If you're ragging me, I'll not spare you.
8, 9,
अरे अच्छा exercise हो जाएगा.
10. Come on. 10, 9,
10, 9.
8,
अच्छा.
7, 6, 5, 4,
If you're ragging, I'll not spare you.
3, 2, 1.
One.
Let's go. Very good. GG. Respect. ये ले.
Thank you.
ये ले. खोल हाथ. That's for you. You do
And 10
something.
minutes work seriously.
हाँ, it's a ultrasonic. No. Come on. पहले आगे चटक. मार रहा उधर से लग रहा है सभी का.
Count कौन कर रहा है?
तू करना, तेरे को पता है ना काउंट. ये जोर से बोल. अभी तो लाइक कर. लीगल है.
11, 12, 14.
If this is on YouTube.
18.
19, 20. What a lovely thing to do. Chalo. I'll see you around. And follow me on robotherapy. Robo_therapy
ये है क्या?
ये अल्ट्रासोनिक सेंसर है.
तो इसका यूज क्या है?
डिस्टेंस सेंस करता है. एक साइड से साउंड बीम शूट करता है. When it shoots, it hits one target और वापस आता है. उस टाइमिंग में तेरे को पता चलेगा कि डिस्टेंस क्या है.
सुनार जैसा.
सोनार ही है. सोनार का बेसिक्स है. You are welcome. Hey guys, excuse me. Do you know what an ultrasonic sensor is? Can you do 20 squats or 20 push-ups and I'll give you one? No. If you do 20 squats or 20 push-ups, right now I'll give you ultrasonic sensor. It's over here. You can use it for any of your projects. 20 or 20, come on.
Let's go.
Let's go.
20 push-up, BLS, BLS, ultrasonic and low sensor BLS. That's fine.
Have you heard of sonar?
Yeah, I think
So yeah, that's the basic. This is what is used in a sonar. Yes, man. It's called robotherapy. You've seen it? Oh, wonderful. So if you do 20 push-ups or 20 squats right now, I'll get it. Let's go. Come on. Thank you. Give me good quality content.
I'm not sure if I can use it.
Let's go. Well done. What? Nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Well done. Oh yeah. GG, bro. Respect. Here you go. You make a project with it. I also have an Instagram channel, so check that out. Thank you. Nice meeting you. Okay, do you want it? Let's go try it. I'll give you this if you do 20 squats or 20 push-ups.
Do it.
Come on now. You'll be on YouTube, so look pretty
I
original.
actually tried.
Yes, to
I've tried.
मैं ऐसे कर दूंगा लेकिन ये फैल गया।
पहले कर फिर कर देता हूँ मैं, 20 तो होने दे। लेट्स गो 20 पुशअप्स या स्क्वाट इजी होता है, 20 कर दे।
ना बस यही करना है तो
कहाँ
You can check out my YouTube channel. It's called Robo Therapy.
18, 19, 20. कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट नहीं। Hey guys, excuse me. Do you know what ultrasonic sensor is by any chance? If you do 20 squats or 20 push-ups, I'll give it away to you. I have a YouTube channel called robotherapyy and I'm doing this. Squats or 20 push-ups. Either one of those. Yes, come on. Let's go. Well done. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Goal. No. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, GG. Good for you. Here you go. Use it on any of your projects and tag robotherapy. हेलो सर, एक सेकंड। अरे सर सुनो ना सर, अरे ये दौड़ो क्या आपने कभी अल्ट्रासोनिक सेंसर यूज किया है? करना चाहिए, तो जाने कर